All right, I'm gonna show you how to prepare some side stripe. And there might be some spot prawns in here. There's also a squat lobster, which is a bit different. So a few different bycatch that my friend Ficus brought by for me to prepare. Pretty simple, like that. If they're more lively, then they might twitch a bit, which is always a bit freaky. But yeah, just really simple. It's a fast death. Done. So I just wanted to show you some roe. So that's a little shrimp, and you still got some delicious little roe in there that you can eat. We are now making some delicious stock with the heads of the prawns. So this is what we got, the spot prawn heads, or sorry, the side stripe heads, and then garlic grilled shrimp to go on it. And it's beautiful when you eat it at the sea.